Ang number 4 ay nakafocus sa stability, order at solid structure. Connected ito sa discipline, routines at paggawa ng strong foundations, mentally and practically. In nature, meron tayong 4 elements. Meron din tayong 4 cardinal directions. So all of this suggests a structure or foundation of order. Ngayon, ang number 4 na may imahe ng square ay sumisimbolo ng stability or stillness, pananatili. So, in contrast to that, ang suit of wands kasi ay nagre-represent ng element of fire. So, kung titingnan natin, may mga taong nagmamarcha dito sa kwento na pinapakita ni Rider-Waite. Nagmamarcha sila in celebration, tapos papunta sila dun sa parang may structure ng 4 wands, parang gumawa sila ng arch, tapos papunta sila dun. So, ang sinasabi ng baraha ay meron silang trust sa strength of the foundations that they built. Parang meron silang trust sa system and sa structures around them. So actually, very domestic yung nire-represent ng card na ito. Tapos, merong certain optimism na pinapakita ang 4 of Wands. Meron ding excitement and celebration. So, parang ang sinasabi niya is more about domestic situation, so family life, prospering, and trusting that things will work out because things are bountiful and things are prosperous around them. Tapos very stable yung situation nila and they don't have many worries. Kaya they're at a time of wealth, of merriment, and celebration. So kung ikukumpara natin sa Six of Wands, sa Six of Wands kasi ay meron ding mga tao na mga sumasayaw, tapos may mga sundalo na sumusunod sa isang leader. Pero dito sa Four of Wands ay hindi nila kailangan ng leader para magmarcha patungo sa patutunguhan nila at mag-celebrate dahil yung Four of Wands is a celebration in itself. Kumbaga, yung situation and yung happiness nila mismo, yung nag-urge sa kanila to move and to celebrate and to dance. So, sa kwento na ito ay ang mga tao na ito ay umalis sila mula sa isang walled city papunta sa isang malawak na lugar. So, ang ibig sabihin nito ay they all stepped out of safety. Parang lumabas sila sa comfort zones nila to explore. So, 'di ba kung titingnan natin, merong palasyo or fortress, parang may kastilyo sa likod nila. Ito yung walled city. Tapos, yung kwento ay pinapakita na yung mga tao, nag-celebrate sila sa labas. Parang they enjoyed the freedom of open space, of the world outside. They stepped into abundance kasi may tiwala sila na they are safe and protected. So, alam nila na hindi nila kailangang manatili sa protection ng 4 walls nila kasi they trust that everything will be okay. Kaya sila nag-celebrate outside their castle. Actually, pwede nating i-compare ang baraha na ito sa Tower card ng Major Arcana. Sa Tower, may dalawang character na naka-blue at red robes. So, parang dito sa Four of Wands, mayroong dalawa na naka-robe din sila. So, parang silang dalawa yung dalawang tao dun sa The Tower card. Sa mga literal na readings kasi ng Tower, pinapakita ito yung parang height ng explosion or yung parang demise or pagsabog ng isang situation ng dalawang tao dahil parang masyado na silang miserable or nirepress nila yung situation. Parang matagal na nilang tiniis yung mga damdamin nila, tapos dun sa tuktok ng tower, bigla na lang sumabog at lumabas lahat. Kaya parehas silang nahulog. So, Yun yung mga literal interpretation ng Tower card. Pero dito sa Four of Wands, merong optimism and love of freedom na ito ang nagtulak sa kanila, sa mga tao na ito, para lumabas sila ng walled city. So parang ang sinasabi nito is lumabas na nila. They express themselves and they let out their feelings of joy and celebration. Tapos they stepped out of confinement bago pa maging tulad ng tower yung kastilyo kung nasan sila. Kumbaga, hindi na nila kinimkim or tiniis yung sitwasyon nila. Parang lumabas na sila and parang they just basked in love and gratefulness, 'di ba? So yun ang sinasabi ng barahan na ito, na bago pa maging tower yung situation mo, parang i-express mo na, wag mo nang kimkimin, and trust the system enough to step out into the world and parang experience joy and happiness and love and freedom. Parang wag kang magtago sa kastilyo mo tapos kikimkimin mo yung sitwasyon mo until sumabog siya ng parang tower. So, yun yung advice ng Four of Wands. Parang dito sa The Naked Heart Tarot, makikita natin na yung symbolism na ginamit niya ay sunflower. So, meron talagang optimistic message ang Four of Wands dahil mismong ito parang nag-bloom yung sunflowers in the middle of the Four of Wands. So, since domestic primarily yung ibig sabihin ng card na ito, it's saying something about the family, 'di ba? Na in a family setting, wag nating kimkimin yung mga damdamin natin tapos tinitiis natin yung pagiging miserable sa isang situation sa loob ng bahay, 'di ba? Parang itong bahay dapat ito yung kastilyo o yung palasyo natin, tapos dapat magaan ito sa pakiramdam. Huwag nating antay na maging tower ito at sumabog yung mga issues at mga concerns. We can parang take a breather, parang 'di ba? Step outside a little bit and celebrate and appreciate the joy and the happiness of life because everything is fine, everything is good. There is parang a domestic blessing here na talagang nagfa-flourish ang mga bagay-bagay sa sitwasyon na to. So, we can be thankful na hindi ito isang tower situation where we have to endure some sort of suffering before it explodes. So, syempre, dito sa Golden Tarot of Marseille, yung wands lang talaga yung pinapakita niya. So, yung Four of Wands lang yung nakikita natin dito na pure symbolism. So, magandang alam talaga natin yung ibig sabihin ng baraha kahit na walang pinapakitang kwento yung card na to. And yun nga, yung message ng upright Four of Wands is ultimately, you are safe in a domestic setting. It is time to celebrate. It's a very good family situation and it's good to cherish things while we have it. Ngayon, kapag nakabaliktad naman ang Four of Wands, ayon kay Rider-Waite, hindi nagbabago talaga yung kahulugan ng card kahit na naka-reverse. Ganun kalakas yung kaligayahan at yung joy na handog nito, na kahit nakabaliktad na siya, hindi nagiging negative yung meaning niya. So, hindi talaga ito napipigilan. Kahit merong four walls na parang nakapaligid sa atin, hindi nako-contain itong fire energy na to of joy and happiness. So, anong ibig sabihin kapag naka-reverse yung Four of Wands? In a way, ang sinasabi ni Rider-Waite, kapag reverse yung Four of Wands, since nare-retain niya yung positive meaning niya, parang ang sinasabi niya is ikaw yung hindi nakakapansin. Parang, ayun nga, you're taking things for granted. Kasi itong Four of Wands na to, like in a domestic or family setting, masaya naman lahat. Pero parang hindi natin nakikita kapag naka-reverse. Parang we don't know how to appreciate what we have. Tapos we're taking things for granted. Parang the happiness is right in front of us, pero hindi tayo aware. So, one thing na pwedeng reason nito is same lang naman yung level of happiness na nasa harap natin. Pero iba yung form na ine-expect natin na magpapakita ito. Kumbaga, tinuturuan tayo ng card na ito kung paano pahalagahan yung anong meron tayo. So, don't take things for granted, diba? It's also telling us and reminding us na we have to learn how to appreciate and be content with what we have. Kasi nga, happiness isn't gonna do anything for us if hindi naman natin siya makita. 'Di ba? We could be holding everything that we love in front of us, pero it might not mean anything if we don't know that it's there. So that's a reminder, yung reversed Four of Wands. Pero yun nga, pwede kasing minsan na yung expectations natin hindi nagmamatch sa situation natin. So, kapag reversed Four of Wands, pwede ngang sinasabi niya, iba kasi yung gusto natin. Na we want happiness to take a specific form. 'Di ba? Na pwedeng masaya naman yung mga bagay, pero parang iba yung gusto nating itsura niya. Parang pinipilit natin na, gusto ko ganito yung itsura, hindi naman ganito yung ini-imagine ko, mas masaya ako kapag ganito. So, kapag ganun, wala talagang contentment, tapos hindi natin ma-appreciate yung kung anong meron tayo, kahit na equal value lang sila of joy na nabibigay sa atin. Kasi, we expect something else. We expect and we want to force happiness to take a specific form. When it doesn't have to be that way, it doesn't work that way. 'Di ba? Whatever happiness that we have, na it's overflowing with blessings, na everything is fine and worth celebrating, we should learn how to appreciate and cherish that no matter what form it takes, because it's ours and it's right in front of us. All we have to do is open our eyes. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng reversed Four of Wands. Hanggang sa muli, please like and subscribe para makita niyo mga videos namin tungkol sa panghuhula.